There is a very interesting story about why Lord Vishnu had to take Ram avatar. Srimad Bhagavat, Valmiki Ramayana, Harivansha Puran and Ramcharitmanas have different reasons why this happened. But majorly it involves two divine boons and two curses.
Sanakadi sages curse to Jai Vijay. One day, the four Kumars, named Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, and Sanat Kumar, arrived at the entrance of Vaikuntha. Despite appearing as children, due to their austerities, they were spiritually advanced and very old. Attracted by the world inside, they approached the gates but were stopped by Jaya and Vijaya, the gatekeepers of Vaikuntha. Mistaking the Kumars for mere children, Jaya and Vijaya arrogantly refused them entry, claiming Vishnu was resting and could not be disturbed. Unaware that the Kumars were the mind-born sons of Brahma, the gatekeepers dismissed them. The Kumars argued that as devotees, they had a right to see Vishnu, who is always accessible to his devotees. Offended by the gatekeepers' arrogance, they cursed Jaya and Vijaya to be born in the material world. Realizing their mistake, Jaya and Vijaya pleaded for the curse to be lifted. Hearing the commotion, Vishnu appeared and, while acknowledging that the curse could not be revoked, offered a modification. He gave Jaya and Vijaya two choices: be born 7 times as his devotees or 3 times as his enemies. Preferring to return to Vishnu sooner, they chose to be born 3 times as his enemies. Thus, in the Treta Yuga, they were born as the brothers Ravan and Kumbhakarna.
Narad's curse to Vishnu. Narad decided to go through tough self-inflictions to make the gods happy. Seeing this, Lord Indra felt insecure, thinking that Narad has plans to take his kingdom. So he requested Kamdev to stop Narad. However, Kamdev was unsuccessful, and when Indra came to know, he was impressed by Narad and personally congratulated him. Narad became very happy and bragged about conquering Kamdev. He even bragged about it to Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma, but they both advised Narad to keep it to himself. But Narad was not satisfied. He wanted to give the news of his achievement to Lord Vishnu. So, he went to Lord Vishnu's abode and told him about defeating Kamdev. Thus, Lord Vishnu decided to teach him a lesson. With his illusion, Vishnu created a beautiful city, ruled by Shilanidhi. He organized his daughter Vishwamohini's Swayamvar. As advised by gods, Kamdev entered Narad's heart and he was completely enamored by Vishwamohini's beauty. Narad requested Lord Vishnu to give him his form, so that Vishwamohini would select Narad. Lord Vishnu made Narad's whole body very beautiful except his face, which he made like a monkey. This caused amusement amongst the courtiers and the princess herself. When sage Narad saw his reflection in the water, he realized what happened. Out of rage, he cursed Lord Vishnu that he would suffer from separation of his wife and he will need help of monkeys to find his wife.
Vishnu's boon to Manu and Shatrupa. In Hindu mythology, Manu and Shatrupa are the first man and woman created by Brahma, the creator deity. According to Ramcharitmanas, Manu and Shatrupa did intense penance to Lord Vishnu. Pleased with their devotion, Lord Vishnu appeared and asked Manu and Shatrupa what boon they wanted. Both of them said that they wanted a child like him. Blessing them, Vishnu said, in Treta Yuga, you will be born as King Dashrath and Kaushalya, and I will be born as your son, Ram.
Brahma's boon to Ravan. Ravan and his brothers performed penance at Gokarna for several years to please Brahma. Ravan went so far as to sacrifice each of his heads in the holy fire to please the Creator. Right before he was about to chop off his 10th head, Brahma appeared to grant him a boon. Ravana asked for the boon of immortality. Brahma said that was not possible, as all that is born has to perish. So Ravana quaked his wish. O mighty Brahma, may I never obtain death at the hands of Devas, Asuras, Yakshas, Gandharvas, Rakshasas, and Nagas. Because of his pride, Ravan did not mention humans as he didn't consider them to be a threat. Brahma restored his heads and gave him the boon. Thus Vishnu had to take human form to slay Ravan. These were the two boons and two curses associated with the birth of Lord Ram. Thanks for watching till the end.